Okay, so let's start. Task 13L. He said open the file shipping.rtf. So let me go to my source file. I already have it here. Shipping. This one, A grade 8, right? You get the source file? Should I send it for you, grade 8? You already have it. Just in case you don't have it, Lina Lamar, I send it. Shipping RTF. As you can see, the file type is grade 8. As you can see, RTF. Rich text format. So you have to make sure that you save it as a Microsoft Word document. It's not a Word document. You can open it with Word document, but you have to make sure that before you do anything, go File, Save As. Make sure you change the file Save As type. I always warn you about that in grade 8. Of course, you have to click Enable Editing. You will never be able to edit anything unless you go Enable Editing. So before I do anything, File, Save As, File, Save As. Okay, grade 8. Task 30, chapter 13, work folder. The task name 13L. Task name task 13L. Okay, grade 8. Make sure to change this the file type. File type Microsoft Word document. Done, grade 8. And then of course you have this message. He said for you, your document will be upgraded to the newest file format. Of course I do. I say okay. Okay, done, grade 8. Any questions? Okay. So I have to adjust the columns. I have to adjust the columns. So before I start, let me zoom in a little bit. And I have to compare it between the table and the book. So I have to adjust it. As you can see, at grade 8, I can adjust the height, and the width of each column or row. So let me adjust it. Let me go back to my ICT book. I have to look carefully how it looks like. The ICT book at grade 8. As you can see, percentage change form. Let me change this one a little bit. Like this. To be the same exactly. Board. Like this. Right to grade 8. I think there is a space over here also. I can also change this one. So as you can see at grade 8, you can notice the ruler over here. You can change it and you can control everything from here. Okay, you may get more extra options for that, but no need. You can do it manually. Done, grade 8, are you with me? You need a minute? Hi, Ruby. Not exact lines. You have to compare just with the book. Yeah, grade 8. Like I can see test, tease, and heart, wool. There is a space over here. So I just compare it, like just by seeing a grade 8. I just like not really to be the same, just like to be like the same spaces. Of course, it's not going to be the same exactly, but we will try our best. I think I have to change it a little bit from here. So do your best here, Ruby. Does it look like the same, ya Lamar? Hey, Farida. So we have to now format it. As you can see, the board, this word over here, it's like alignment button. How can I do it at grade 8? Remember? Layout tab or design tab? Which one, ya Muhammad Sadiq? Which one? Layout tab or design tab? Which one may help me to adjust, change the alignment of the cell? Which? Why hesitate, ya Muhammad? Of course it is. It's layout tab. And the alignment, like to be button and center, right, ya Muhammad? I think it's here. Align, button, center. Like this. So when I take a look at the book, it's over here. It's not in the center, it's not at the top. And the text, Also, it's like centerized. This one. Yes, يا جوري. Yeah, you got the source file here, يا جوري? Okay. You may try right click open with. You might try right click open with. And then go Microsoft Word document. Right. Yes, I just only changed the widest. I just try to adjust the column widest, yeah. The table widest, yeah. Jury, the question said make it to be like the same. It's the same table. So I just adjust the column widest. Yes, yeah, Ruby. Yes, someone talk. So that's it. Percentage change. I do the board, yeah, Jury, the board tab, the board row. I make it like a line bottom center over here. So I compare it with the ICT book and then I do it. Percentage change, also this one, this word. As you can see, it's like at the top. Top align left. I have to make it like align bottom center like this. So there is a space over here. So it's align bottom center. So I just formatted. Yeah, great. Change the alignment, changing the direction. Of course, I have to go layout tab. When I click outside the table, it will disappear. So always make sure you activate your table. Make sure to click somewhere in your table and you will see table tools above. Layout tab and design tab. Of course, we work with layout to change the alignment and the text direction. Okay. Now I think we have like, can you see the sign in grade 8? Remember when we talk about it? This small sign, what does it mean? This one in grade 8. Hi, Aline. What does it mean? We took it already. What does this mean? What does those signs mean? Also, there is many over here, signs. What they are meaning. Hi, Ruby. Yes, yeah, Ahmed. It's somewhere in home tab. Bravo. And why do we need it, yeah, Ahmed? It's shown high paragraphs. It helped me to be like advanced layout task. It show me if there is a space, if there is an enter, if there is a tab. When I want to print out my document, I can see the spaces and I can control them. It's like a hidden formatting symbol. Show and hide. I can do Control plus and star. Keyboard shortcut, Control plus and star. Or I can go Home tab and click on it. So as you can see, I have like enter. I have to click enter somewhere. Wait a minute. So I have to do it from here, grade 8. Make sure I activate it. And when I compare it with the ICT book, Yaleen, I can see there is the enter tab over here. There is the enter. This sign means I have to click enter. Number of millions, is rounded to the, after the word the, I have to click enter over here. So I just click enter. Okay. Or I can do tab, by the way. I do Control Z. I can do like enter tab, or I can do just enter after the word the. Okay. Think that's it. Hi, grade 8. Any question? Is it clear, يا جوري? لين. Hi, Ruby, Farida, Muhammad, Lamara, and Ahmed. Yes. Yes, Juri. How can I do it? Hi, grade 8. From where I can do the center. Those are alignment for the paragraph. But for table alignment, how can I do it? To get like extra. Layout tab. In layout tab, of course, we have all the alignment. I can do align center left. I can do align center in the middle exactly. Or I can go align center right. Align button right. Align button center. As you can see, Ajuri. And there is also text direction, by the way, grade 8. text direction, and the cell margins. So just for now, we work with those one. Of course, there is in table tools layout. When I click outside Yajuri, it disappears. So you have to make sure that you click somewhere on your table. To activate the whole table, you have to click on those 4 arrows, like this. Now I'm selecting the whole table. You want to do like extra options. Let me stop recording here.